Hello YouTube, it's Lily Edgar and I'm back again with another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you some summer hairstyles that I've been doing recently. As the weather's getting hotter, it's nice to have your hair back and out of your face. If you're looking for some inspiration for some quick and easy summer hairstyles, then continue watching. So before I start styling my hair, I'm just going to gently brush it out and then fix the part on whatever side that I want it to be on. Next up, taking a straightening iron, I'm going to use that to curl the ends of my hair. So basically what you do is just take a section of hair and with a straightening iron on the very end, kind of wrap the hair around it and then gently pull the hair down and make sure that you're not holding the curling iron too tight around the hair, otherwise it could break and pull your hair. Right, so just repeat that to the rest of your hair. So for the first hairstyle, I'm just grabbing a slightly big portion of hair from one side of my part and I'm just doing a regular braid, kind of pulling it away from my face. When you're done braiding, secure it with a little elastic and repeat all those steps to the other side. So this is the first hairstyle. It's really simple, but I think it's really cute and it's one of my favorites that I do all the time. For the next hairstyle, we're going to keep the braids in but pull them back into a ponytail. So take out the little plastic elastics and gather all your hair in a low ponytail. I'm just adding this cute little scrunchie with long tassels on it. I think it's the perfect finishing touch to this hairstyle. So the next hairstyle is going to be similar to the last one, but instead of just regular braids, we're actually going to do a French braid. So French braid your hair down to the nape of your neck, and when you get there, secure it with a clip. After you've braided both sides, just secure the ponytail with a ponytail holder or scrunchie, and this hairstyle is complete. Oh, I also fixed some bumps that I had in the braids just with bobby pins. Okay, now the hairstyle is complete. Okay, so the next hairstyle is a classic. I'm just going to do some simple Dutch braids. I love this hairstyle. Dutch braids really are a lifesaver in the summertime when it's super hot. It just keeps the hair all out of your face. If you need a tutorial for Dutch braids, I know there are a million on YouTube, but I also have an old video that I uploaded showing you how I do Dutch braids and a lot of other braided hairstyles, so I will leave that in the description box below if you're interested. The last hairstyle is a super cute summer hairstyle. So basically you start with Dutch braids, and what you're gonna do is wrap each braid around in like a little mini bun, and then take the end and loop it through the middle, so tuck it underneath the first loop of hair so that the end sticks out and creates a little pigtail. Then once you've created the shape that you want for the bun, just secure everything with bobby pins. And repeat all of those steps to the other side. Alright, so that is the last hairstyle completed. This one is another one of my favorites. It's super cute and summery. Alright, so those were my quick and easy summer hairstyles. I hope that you got some inspiration from this video, and I hope that you are enjoying the summer weather this year as we are quarantining at home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and leave a comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of me. Thanks for watching, and have a lovely day. Bye!